everything you think you know about vlogging, because YouTube in 2026 is not the same. The worst thing you can do is think, well, I just want to vlog my life. Wrong. No. No. First things first, we need to define your vlog world. Before you ever hit record, you need clarity on who you are in the viewer's mind. This is where most people skip and then get stuck later, and then you just fall into this pattern of filming the same thing that's just not working. This doesn't have to be a forever decision. This can be different cycles of your life. This can be different things that you go through at different times, but the point is you have to choose one. Here are some examples that you can choose from: cozy lifestyle, fitness and wellness, slow living, motherhood, college or student life, career or entrepreneur life, fashion, cooking, food, travel, or hobby vlogs like books, crafting, sewing. It doesn't have to limit you, but it does have to define you for the time being. We need YouTube to understand who you are and who's gonna wanna watch who you are. We need to talk about why vlogging actually works, specifically in 2026, of course. People don't just watch vlogs because somebody's life is so exciting. They actually watch because somebody's perspective is really easy to attach to. Two people can film the exact same day, the same gym session, the same desk setup, even the same errands. And one vlog feels completely forgettable, and the other one is entirely bingeable. So, what is the difference? The best vloggers do a few things really well within this niche. First, they give you a point of view. Not come with me, but more of, this is how I experience this. This is the difference between, okay, I'm gonna make coffee right now, versus making coffee in the afternoon is my favorite thing because I get a few moments where I get to just slow down and take a break. The second ones make you feel included. Not like you're just watching a show of things that somebody's doing, but more like you're actually hanging out with them. They add meaning while the day is happening, not a speech. Just small context that answers, why does this moment matter to me? And then they capture the small moments, not just the highlights. The small moments are what make a viewer feel seen. And finally, they have a rhythm. They repeat familiar patterns that make their channel a place that you want to keep returning to. As a creator, this is often a hard struggle to overcome because you feel like repetition is boring and why should I vlog my life if I'm so boring? No. The repetition is that familiar place they want to return to. Think about doing this for the next 7 days. Record 30-second clips daily answering the question, right now this moment feels like blank. Do not explain what you're doing, explain what you're feeling. This is what you're gonna need to switch that mindset so that you're not stuck as a 2016 vlogger, you're a 2026 vlogger. The second part is the heart of your channel. Yes, that's a large claim, but I swear it's true. Your emotional POV. I love the drama associated with this title. This is your POV, not what you do. We just defined your vlog world. This is the emotional connection to it. This is how someone will connect the content you're making to your emotion, but generally it's why they're gonna care. Here are some examples when I say find your POV. I'm trying to feel like myself again. I'm learning to live slower. I'm starting a fitness journey to build confidence. I'm navigating a new chapter in life. I'm learning to cook for the first time. This is the reason that somebody cares about your day. And this is also the motivational push why you care to film your day. An exercise for you to figure this out is to just open up your notes app and write down the following sentence. This channel is about blank through the lens of blank. Every time you film, check that sentence. If the ideas or the clips don't support that sentence, it's gotta go. Now, in the ever wide world of vlogging and lifestyle content, you have decided what you actually want to start with. Now it's time for the homework, which is doing the research. I talk about this in every video. It is so important, okay? You have to understand what's going on out there. Chances are you're already consuming enough lifestyle content where this research isn't gonna be difficult, but it has to actually be research. Consuming and researching are very different things. This is my favorite activity to do for lifestyle creators because you probably think someone's just filming their life, right? You don't look that deep into it as a viewer, but everybody has their thing. So I want you to take your 3 favorite channels and you're gonna do a little deep dive in the following way. Figure out what emotion they sell the most of. Notice how do their vlogs start. Go actually research which moments get commented the most on. This is a sneaky little trick. I love this one because the people in the comments will tell you what mattered to them It's easy research. And then remember, you're not stealing ideas here. You're not trying to take on somebody else's identity. You're just learning viewer language, and it's gonna make these things that feel really uncomfortable and overwhelming about vlogging just feel a little bit more normal. It's also, once you figure this out, you are gonna be mind blown how everybody that you think is just a vlogger has a thing. Next up is building our mini content strategy. I do have a video coming out soon about how to build your content strategy for 2026, so this is just gonna be a little taste for the vlogging space. Channels now grow because of familiarity. That starts with the content buckets. You want to think of your channel as bingeable from start to finish. So ideally we want to choose 2 to 3 buckets down the road, but let's think of 2 content buckets to start. This is pretty much 2 types of video formats that you're going to alternate between. Especially as a new channel, you don't want to be overwhelmed with a new idea, a new format, a new way to film, and trying everything new for every single video, because the algorithm is going to lose its mind. No, 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 no. Shut it down. And your content is just gonna have a really hard time finding a home. So to pull one over on the algorithm, we're actually going to utilize Shorts discovery system for getting your content out there, because shorts are highly discoverable. And you wanna think about what kind of shorts are actually going to go with your vlog channel. This can be mini routines, this can be just aesthetic, music, or voiceover content, just tiny mini little vlogs of like what you eat in a day or your fitness routine, you know what I'm saying? Shorts introduce you, but your longs are what are gonna make people actually stay. Now, I want you to take the 2 buckets and write 5 ideas under each one of them. The goal here is just to remove the what should I film component. Oh, this is the tough one to explain. Lifestyle packaging, meaning your titles and thumbnails. And here's the honest truth about it. This is a lawless place on YouTube. The rules do not exist. The limit does not exist, should go there. And it can be infuriating because when we look at other common spaces on the platform, like finance or gaming, educational content, the rules are clear. Faces, reactions, arrows, a small amount of text that complements the title. And yet here we are in the vlog space where none of that makes sense. Some thumbnails are clean and they're cinematic and it honestly looks like a screenshot, while some are collaged and messy and doodled. Some use text, some don't. Somehow all of it works. But here's what I'm gonna actually break down for you, because this isn't just a jumbled mess of luck. It's the aesthetic. It is the aesthetic you portray for your emotional point of view that dives into your vlog world. See how everything is tying together? When someone sees your thumbnail, they should think, I want to feel like that, or I want to experience that. If your thumbnail feels intentional and emotionally clear, it works, even if it breaks the traditional YouTube thumbnail rules. This is also a space where one title does not fit all. And thank goodness we have A/B title testing now, because I can't think of a better space where this testing makes sense. Sometimes we have curiosity-driven titles, like getting back on track after travel. And then sometimes we have structured listicle style content, like a productive day in my life, followed by a list of activities. This is where you want to do the best you can for it to just match the vibe of your video and experiment. See which one works better for you. There's confidence from testing new things, and there's more confidence from learning new things. So the goal being not to find your perfect foolproof formula. It's really just to find what feels intentional for you. You'll figure out your formula as time goes on. Now, we need to get comfortable filming yourself, and this is where most creators will struggle, because it's awkward, it's uncomfortable, you feel judged anytime someone sees you with the camera. Immediately, I just think he walks by me and he thinks like, that's so weird. Like, what are you doing? But I can't let it shake my confidence. This is definitely gonna be a practice makes perfect type of thing. Start by going somewhere that's a little bit more isolated, that has less people. You'll feel less judged, you'll feel more comfortable, and you'll probably be walking, which makes it a little bit easier. Talking and walking is definitely a key. While you're working on getting that confident, there's other things you can be doing in the meantime to still have a great vlog. If being on camera feels like too much or it's just not the vibe you were going for, try using voiceover. You've probably noticed a lot of your favorite creators narrate their thoughts while they're doing something else. This helps you get comfortable capturing those small moments, and it also allows you the time to share your emotional POV that we talked about earlier by scripting it. Here you can see I filmed both styles in the exact same place on this vlog, and I'm so curious which one you actually like better. Maybe you end up even doing a mix of both, but you definitely have to try them to find out. Besides getting out there and just doing it, I will say that one thing that takes the pressure off is just asking permission. I think a lot of the times we feel uncomfortable filming in public because it feels like we're doing something wrong. It feels like we're being an inconvenience and that we're gonna get in trouble, but all you have to do is just ask permission. Hey, can I film in here for my YouTube video? Chances are they're probably gonna say yes. And if they say no, then obviously don't film. But once you have that yes, you don't rush your shots, you feel so much more relaxed, and you kind of get accomplished what you were trying to in the first place. So step a little bit outside your comfort zone when you feel up for it and get those reps in. What gear do you actually need to have a vlog channel in 2026? In all seriousness, you don't need a fancy camera. You don't need the craziest, most expensive mic. Your cell phone will work. Plus, your phone is gonna make it so much more approachable to actually vlog in places you might feel uncomfy with a camera doing. You can upgrade with a little mic that plugs into your phone, and you're gonna need something that holds your phone. Whether it be a tripod or a magnet or a little sticky pad, whatever you wanna use that's gonna work for you and make you feel the most comfortable is where you should start. But believe me, I know some large creators who film on only their phone to this day, and phones just get better and better and better. I swear cameras are gonna be obsolete soon. Here we are. The most exciting, but yet most overwhelming part when it comes to this entire process, which is making the first video. I'm hoping that this step-by-step will help you break down what a video could look like and make it simple enough that it's not too intimidating to try. Step 1 is going to be choose an idea. We are not filming a full day here. We are starting with an idea. One outing, one goal, one event, one theme. Step 2, you're gonna break this into 3 to 5 mini moments. Not tasks, not performances, just mini moments of the day that go with this idea. Step 3 is you're gonna be filming 2 types of shots for this video. You're gonna be filming a context shot, which is a wider, clear shot that shows where you are or what's happening. And then detail shots, which are more of those small moments. Holding something, walking, textures, close-ups. This is what's gonna make it feel a little bit easier to edit and a little bit more intentional. Dare artistic, if I say so. Step 4 is to add 2 to 4 talking clips. One at the beginning, which states what you're doing today. One in the middle, a thought, a reaction, an opinion, and one at the end, which is gonna be a wrap up. That's it. That is a vlog. This formula can go a million different ways. Being a vlogger means you have the creativity to film any way that you want. But this kind of is a great overview of the shots that typically go in every vlog. So your action step here is gonna be to film it. Take this simple formula and see what happens. Everybody's first YouTube video, everybody's early YouTube videos are cringy as hell to watch.
Tell the good people what's going on.
Well, this is a thrilling hike to dried out rock holes.
You are not alone in that. I promise you, the more that you practice these types of shots and practice filming yourself, the easier it will get, and you will be amazed where your confidence is at even just in a month from now. We know exactly what to do to start a vlog channel in 2026, but the most important thing is what not to do. Do not overcorrect based off of one video. What I mean by this is you upload this first video, it doesn't get the views that you want, so you decide to change everything. Please don't get a new style, identity, emotional POV, patterns matter. Remember, this is going to take time, and right now it's not about the numbers. It's about figuring out the skills. The skills are gonna get you those numbers. Do not turn your vlog into a performance. If you feel like you're putting on a voice, pull it back. You have to remember, this is supposed to be the most natural version of yourself on camera versus like this video. This video, I need a little bit higher energy. I'm just sitting in one place and I'm teaching something. I'm trying not to make it boring. Please tell me in the comments this is not boring. The last thing I want your vlog to do is just feel like a fake version of yourself, because you're supposed to be yourself living your life. Do not save the best moments for later. There is no future version of your channel that deserves more effort than this present one. Don't confuse silence with failure. Not getting a lot of comments or your numbers looking quiet on upload days is not rejection from YouTube. This is just part of starting before the momentum exists. Do not judge your retention graphs. You do not have enough data as a new channel to make educated decisions to use your retention graphs in that way. This is definitely something that is more advanced when you're getting those higher number of views and subscribers. Right now, let's just ignore them, okay? Can we make that deal? Just ignore them for right now. And please, please, do not compare yourself to established vloggers. I know that this is gonna be really difficult. I'm guilty of it, you're guilty of it, we're all guilty of it. If you're constantly judging yourself to someone that's been doing this for 10 years, yeah, that's a really hard thing to follow up. What we can do is next year, in 2027, we can reflect on you from 2026 when you started this channel. It's gonna be way better to compare yourself to a year ago because, well, you're gonna be doing pretty awesome. And the last thing, please don't quit because your vlog felt boring. You're gonna second guess it. You're gonna watch back and think, why would anybody want to watch this? You wanna know who's also saying that? Your favorite vloggers that you're watching. This is the little devil that's on every vlogger's shoulder, just saying, you're boring. You're not boring though. And please don't quit because you're having these moments of self-doubt. Just wait till the comments roll in that people are loving who you are and what you have to say. Documenting your life on YouTube can be a little bit unhinged, and the rules, yes, are a little bit looser, but this is definitely your sign to just do it. And if you're here, I know it's because you actually want to. Leave a comment and let me know what vlog niche you're gonna be a part of, and if you're up for it, your emotional POV. Maybe you're gonna start that fitness channel. Or a cooking channel. Or this was the year you were finally gonna start that travel vlog. And if maybe vlogging isn't your thing and you wanna start a gaming channel, I know just what you can watch next.